Hey guys, thanks so much for watching us. Today we have this Honda Odyssey 2007 wheelchair van with only 100,000 miles. It has a manual ramp that you pull in and pull out here. All you have to do, just grab here. Okay guys, let me show you how this works. Grab right here and you have the ramp, and then you just put it back in. Perfect. I'm gonna show you the interior. Passenger side, all power windows, GPS, rear backup camera, sunroof, DVD right here, satellite radio, lots of tread, brand new tires, Michelin. Let me show you the right passenger. Lots of space. You can put two wheelchairs here. Wheelchair strap. AC controls right here. DVD. Then you have all the power controls, windows, all the windows in the back, all working properly. Then you have the rear door, automatic. Leather in very nice condition. GPS, rear camera right there. AC controls right here. Then we have 102,000 miles, which is very low for a Japanese Honda. All the controls for your speed. Okay, I'm going to show you the motor. It's got a 3.5 V6